The other side of the story that we kind of saw was one that had a number of underlying challenges. There was a few stats that we found during the research that really kind of jumped out at us the most. I'll share a few with those with you guys. So during the tax year 2018 to 2019, 556 construction companies folded. 1 in 5 construction companies say cash flow is a constant problem. And that's a problem that's likely to be exacerbated further in the current circumstances. Projects are taking about 20% longer to finish than scheduled. And only 31% of projects came within 10% of their budget, with the remaining exceeding their budget. There was a quote that from Michael Bueller, who's the head of infrastructure and urban development from the World Economic Forum, and he paints quite a damning picture. He says the construction industry has continued to operate as it has for the past 50 years. It still gets by largely on manual labor, mechanical technology, and established operating and business models. It was then through the research that we saw a quote from Professor Matthew Aitchison, who's the director of Monash University's Future Building Institute, and his assessment that really kind of struck a chord with us, that this actually might be a problem that is solvable. So he said we're dealing with poor data, and we're dealing with an industry that hasn't recorded that kind of data accurately for quite some time. We didn't actually have to look that hard to find some stats to support that either. We saw that a builder is most likely to go 10.6% over budget of the entire cost because of things that cannot be categorized. PlanGrid states that over 14 hours per week are spent on dealing with conflict resolution and rework that drift away from high priority tasks.